how to create Valorant account. Now in this video I'll teach you a very simple way, so just hang in there. So to create a Valorant account, you first need to create a Riot Games account. So to do that, first open up your web browser, search for Valorant Riot Games, and after you've done that, just scroll down till you see Riot Games right there. Go to Riot Games and wait for it to load up. Now as you can see right there, this page loads up. Now here you can see different options that says sign in. Tap on sign in, and here you can see can't sign in, create an account. Just tap on create an account. After you've done so, just type in the email that you usually use. And after you've done that, tap on your just type in your birthday. Just create a username, and then just choose a password. Make sure that your passwords are correct on both ends. Just use your random password, and then accept the terms and conditions. Make sure that you have scrolled down, accept it, and then you're almost good to go. So just log in, and you've created your first Valorant account. As you can see, the username is not available, so make sure that you use a unique username and create an account. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.